Hey, it's Dane again from Orlando, Florida, and I just wanted to let you know I am having the best night's sleep. I look forward to going to bed every night because I know I'm going to dream. How many of you guys have had dreams that you kind of wish would go on and on and on? Or how many of you have had dreams and it's been interrupted? You had to get up to go to the bathroom and then the dream's gone. You can't get that dream back. Well, I will tell you, with Sleep M and their products, I do have an overactive bladder. And because I'm only using the pillow and the eye mask, I still wake up at night to use the restroom. However, I go right back to sleep. I go right back into my dream, no problem. So it's just amazing. It's life-changing for me. I do plan on getting the mattress topper. Once I get the mattress topper, that is more of these crystals interacting within your body that is going to put me in a REM sleep, and probably I will probably sleep through these bladder breaks that I tend to have. So I encourage every one of you, please check out Sleep M. Their products are amazing. The biocrystals that they have with their technology, it works in between within your body, and it allows you to enter REM sleep every single night. Most people hardly ever reach REM sleep. And the advantages of REM sleep is it restores your energy. It facilitates learning and memory. It promotes brain health. It enhances your mood. It supports physical recovery, and it increases your lifespan. So please, just check out the link down below this video for all the Sleep M products and start getting a great, healthy, good night's sleep. Oh, and by the way, you could also earn a 6-figure a month income if you want to promote Sleep M. We do have a marketing system that is turnkey. That's basically, you just follow our steps that are super easy. And I promise you, you will have a 6-figure income within 4 to 5 months tops. These products work. People are so excited about them, and they reorder, they buy for their family and their friends, and they tell everybody about them. Think about a chiropractor that you might know, or some type of doctor that does alternative medicine, and this is right up their alley to get something like this. And just let them borrow your pillow, let them borrow your mat or your eye mask. They will see for themselves and have the best night's sleep ever.